customers are constantly looking for added value. So we've designed a new air fryer that enables them to have it all, and have it all at the same time. The EY801D Easy Fry and Grill Flexcook will provide you with endless cooking options while saving kitchen space because, like our other new Easy Fry and Grill models, it's a multi-function appliance. This stylish all-in-one appliance comes with an extra large 6.5 litre capacity that air fries and grills all your family favorites for up to 8 people. Or, if you prefer, prepare 2 meals, each 3.25 litres, synchronized to be ready at the same time. As an air fryer, the EY801D uses Tefal's extra crisp technology, perfectly balancing temperature and airflow for crispy golden results using little or no oil. Not only is it healthier but also faster. In fact, 50% faster than a traditional convection oven, as the air fryer needs no preheating. The large, attractive touchscreen allows you to select from 8 programs, as well as manually adjust the temperature from 40 degrees to 200 degrees, so you can enjoy fast air fryer results or slow it down and enjoy 10 hours of slow dehydration. So you can air fry or turn the die-cast aluminium grill over to reveal the grilling ridges that will sear those much desired browning marks into your meat, chicken or fish. Sear marks that deepen and intensify the flavor of your meal. Preheating the grill plate at 200 degrees for 15 minutes will heat the plate and allow excellent grilling results and perfectly caramelized meat. Now, the downside of indoor grilling is of course the smoke and the lingering odor that comes with it. But the Easy Fry and Grill Flexcook offers a smokeless grilling experience, as nearly all the smoke and smell stay in the appliance. While the hot die-cast aluminium grill sears the meat, the air fryer function completes the smokeless cooking process for juicy, delicious steaks. But what sets this air fryer apart is the sync function that allows 2 programs to cook at once, timing the meals so that they are ready at the same time. Yes, you can have it all and have it all at the same time. The EY801D guides your synchronized cooking, instructing you when to add the different ingredients so that they're ready at the same time. It couldn't be easier or more convenient. So no more watching your chips go cold while you wait for your sticky wings to cook. Now you can have it all. Just another way that Tefal makes your life easier and your family meals healthier and more enjoyable. Another advantage is that the grill and bowl are made by Tefal, the non-stick experts with the technology that we use in our world-leading fry pans and cookware. So all removable parts are dishwasher safe, making your life easier whether you're cooking or cleaning. And because we want your consumers to get the most out of the appliance, we have detailed cooking instructions in the user manual, as well as additional recipes online. Perfect results combined with perfect timing. Air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, or grill. Have it all and have it all at the same time. That's the Easy Fry and Grill Flexcook EY801D from Tefal.